What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Andre Dior, the king of all of the madness, and if this is your first time ever seeing my face, go ahead and press the subscribe button right now and join my gang Andre Army because it's free, and two, we're bougie and we always have a really good time on my channel. First of all, before we even jump into this video, I would like to say thank everybody for 500 subscribers. You guys don't understand how hard, like, putting up with me and my inconsistencies, me going away, coming back. The fact that we at 500, the family's growing. Like 1K, we're coming. Like, I appreciate each and every last one of you guys for subscribing. I know you guys love these and I'm so excited. So today's video is going to be an unboxing on my Balenciaga track trainers 3.0. I think this is like a limited colorway. But yeah, if you want to see me review and unbox these Balenciagas, then keep on watching. These are the box that they come in. The Balenciaga track trainers. It comes in a gray box like that. Oh, it's a huge box. It has like your size stuff and all of that there. You open it. Hold on, guys. This box is really freaking big. You get your Balenciaga dust bag that says, you know, Balenciaga. You get 2 extra laces. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to hold this and show y'all. You get your Balenciaga, I guess, care card, like how to take care of them and stuff like that or whatever. Your Balenciaga track trainers. Let me move this over here. Y'all, that box is so heavy. These are them. Completely obsessed, you guys. Like, so in the bottom it says Balenciaga written across. Mine is dirty because I've actually been wearing mine. I actually put them back in the box just so I could give y'all the experience. Has Balenciaga inside here. You have a Balenciaga on the tongue. You have the 2 BBs here on this black part. And this is, I think it's like 2 or 3 laces that come, I think it's 2 laces, but they've like intertwined it. So it's black, blue, green, gold. So this is the first time I've given a designer or a sneaker, any type of like clothing haul review. I have been wearing these for about, I think, a week now, you guys, because I got them last week. And I have to say, these are the most comfortable pair of designer sneakers that I own in my collection so far. Like, oh, and fun fact, you know how the sneaker is called track and there's actually the word track on the back of them, you guys? I actually ran in these Balenciagas and they legit feel like as if I used to run track in high school. They feel like actual sprinting running shoes. Like, they're so comfortable, so dope. The reason why I chose the black and blue colorway, because normally I tend to steer to black because black is one of my favorite colors because it goes with everything. Like, look at my black Balenciaga hat. I also got this from the Worcester Boutique 2 in Soho. These are also from the Balenciaga store. These are retail prices $8.90. I know that's pretty steep, but the quality is amazing. It was between these and the all gray triple S's. So a picture of the triple S's that I'm gonna get next right here. But yeah, I'm gonna get those triple S's next. So it's between those and these. And my sales associate, SA, that's what you call them, Chris. Shout out to Chris. My girl Chris always hooks me up the Balenciaga store, and I also got a discount. But yeah, I'm so happy with them. If you're thinking about get them, totally get them. Like, it's such a dope shoe. Like, all the Balenciagas that came out so far, like, them, I love my Balenciaga arenas and I love my Balenciaga sock sneakers, but these, and it's great for summertime. Like, we're now transitioned into summer. Like, this is, I don't know, like, I'm obsessed. Like, I haven't been this happy with a designer purchase since my lubes. Like, these are amazing. Mines are dirty because I've been running and walking in them. So I feel like if you're thinking about getting these sneakers, get them. These are worth the money. If you're asking me, these or the triple S's, the triple S's are heavier. That's why I don't own them yet, but I've tried them on and I've, you know, spent a day in triple S's before. They're extremely heavy and clunky and like your feet tend to hurt. These, they don't hurt your feet. They fit like a glove. They're super comfortable. And I feel like I could walk around in these shoes all day. All day, no headache, no complaint, no nothing. And yeah, I just love them. So if you're thinking about getting the Balenciaga, ooh, track trainers, these are, I think, Barney's, Neiman's, Bergdorf, the Balenciaga store. All of the big high-end department stores should have them. But yeah, definitely go get you a pair. And I got this pair because I noticed everybody had the yellow and white, the all gray ones. All gray ones are dope as shit. The purple and gray, the black and red one. And the pink ones just came out. I saw the pink ones. And I was like, They have an all green one that's just all green. And I was like, what's up? My blue, black and blue are my 2 favorite colors. Black, blue, and white. Those are my like 3 favorite colors. So I'm like, Andre, why not get them? Like, and like you can kind of see the back of the sole is pretty like chunky, but it's good. It doesn't like bother me. So that has been the end of my video. Thank you if you stayed to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you like the Balenciaga sneakers. What are your favorite designer sneakers? Comment what you want to see in my next videos. More videos are also coming. Thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers and holding it down on your army. We in here, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.